Today is a special day. We've been planning this for a year. We've been dreaming of this for 10 years. We are chartering a helicopter to fly over Grand Prismatic Spring. I'm bringing 2 other photographers with me, 2 good friends, Tyler and Saeed. We'll introduce those guys when we get to the airport, but we're just packing up here. We are loaded for bear with how much gear we've got, the GoPros we have. You know, they're gonna be 6 cameras up there, 2 GoPros. We're gonna fly twice so we can switch seats. I understand that there's one side of the aircraft is better than the other side, so hopefully, I mean, someone's gonna get a chance to be on the left side twice, maybe, but we'll all get a chance to do it once. So should be fun, and we're heading to the airport right now. Oh my God, are you ready for this?
Dude, this is gonna be one of the coolest things we've done in a long time. Now, we've talked about this for a while. We've always wanted to do this. We've always seen shots of it. I think today's the day.
Yep, and it's clear blue skies.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna
Mosquitoes are out.
We had talked about gear a little bit. Obviously, you want to use a telephoto lens. You're going to be high up in the air. You want to be able to zoom in on as much as you can, collect that detail and all those colors and stuff. So, obvious choice for me to start was going to be the A1 body. It's a quick camera, beautiful colors and everything like that. I'm going to be shooting on the 70-200 2.8 lens. Thinking about that. But then at the same time, I was thinking this would be a good choice, but I think I got something better. I think we're going to be shooting on this today.
What is this, Hasselblad?
Now this is the Hasselblad X1D. This is the Mark II.
Dude, did you rob a bank?
Yeah, no, it's cost me a pretty penny. Mortgage on the house and everything. It's been terrible. But I think we're going to try this. I think we're going to go for that wide angle. And
for your video,
just keep
handmade in Sweden.
Yeah, handmade in Sweden. Yeah, no, it's a
a
nice camera. Yeah, no, it'll be a beast. So I think we're gonna go with this. I think this is gonna be the moneymaker today. So we'll see.
Totally cool. All right, let's go get sighted.
Cool. Let's go do this.
That's why I was like, we're flying it.
And where are you guys all from? Right around here? Or?
We all live in West.
Okay.
I live on Hepkin Lake.
Oh, really?
Tyler's my roommate.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so we've been a year round. I've been here. This is my 10th summer.
Yeah, I've been here 15 years.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
God, this is our thing, huh?
And the silly thing is, like,
Chase, she's seaworthy, right?
Oh yeah. Well, maybe not seaworthy.
This
but
ain't that
definitely
Titanic
airworthy.
sub shit thing that went down in the.
Where you guys just hang out here.
All right, so side in case we die.
I want all of my stuff to go to charity.
Not Michaela.
And Michaela.
Our boy Chase is taking the doors off of it, which when I booked this, talking to, I think, I might be the owner, Mark, whoever that Mark guy is. I asked him, like, how do we shoot through, like, is it we shoot through the glass or we shoot through whatever? And he's like, oh, we pull the doors. And I thought he meant, like, when we got there, we slid the doors back. No, these are take the doors off like a Jeep.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I can't get over how small this thing is.
Yeah.
I feel like a man of my size is not meant for vehicles of this size.
You're right. So you're in the back, right? I was like, can this thing see you too, maybe?
What's up?
This thing might be able to see you a little bit. I mean, my thing is...
Your arm here.
Oh, yeah, I gotta go.
There you go.
This is going to be stupid fun.
Okay. Alright, you're all good to go. Man.
Can I just say out loud right now while we still hear everything? The seatbelt, that's a car seatbelt, doesn't feel like enough. Tell me I'm wrong.
I'm glad it wasn't
Tell me I'm wrong.
It's
Just like a car seatbelt. Get
Alright. And on the left side there, just one last check, there's nothing.
What time you got, Roy?
I'm gonna watch your cell phone. I was saying that if you meant that as a joke, man, that was pretty funny. That was like Andy Kaufman level comedy genius. Hey, what time you got? I fucking know. He confiscated all my shit.
Well, you guys rather voluntarily gave it up. I don't think you could say I confiscated it.
I would have been so tempted to take my phone out to be like, let me just do a quick twist up.
Yeah, and then that's no good. Like you said, you guys are tour guides. You understand that.
This is so fucking dumb.
First time in a helicopter
Yes.
for you guys? All right.
Yeah.
Well, this is a pretty monumental deal in a helicopter. There's that 20.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you feel that? I bet that gets a lot worse. Well, we made it,
Survived.
and it was, I mean, how do you describe it? The best thing I've ever done in my life.
That is up there in the top 3 coolest things I've ever done in my life. Probably the top 1.
I always joke, like when I saw Steamboat Geyser, I was like, it's the best thing in the world. It beats Grand Prismatic, it beats Lower Falls, it beats everything I've ever seen. But Grand from the helicopter.
Looking straight down on it was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
No, this was
That was rad.
rad.
That was rad.
And we're going to... Oh, what a day. It was, I don't know, the best thing I've ever done in my life. We just got home. I needed Tyler's help to put the Jeep back together. Had the roof off for the weekend. So Tyler, where you at? You're over here. Come over here, buddy. Was Grand Prismatic what we thought it'd be?
It was incredible. If anybody has the opportunity to do that, I definitely suggest you do it. It was a beautiful ride in and out. It's short. It's quick.
Yeah, we were off the ground for 33 minutes. I mean, each run, we took 2 runs. So 33 minutes from West Yellowstone to Grand and back to and landing. And we were on each run over Grand for 2.5 or 3 minutes. Like this was 6 minutes.
Like it was quick. It was a quick thing. It was so cool though.
Yeah, our guide said they only would do 1 a day at most into the park. So
Absolutely.
This is not something that they're advertising. This is something that when I met them and I asked them, hey, is it even possible, like legally, to charter a helicopter to get this picture? And Mark was like, yeah, you can get the old blue eye photo that like every known Yellowstone photographer we know has the same pictures we want, but I wanted one myself. So no.
What was it? It was above 2,000 feet.
I think I forget the thing, but we stayed about 2,000 feet the whole time. On the way in, once we got into the park, we had to stay about 2,000 feet, which was cool. Yeah. The second time sure was windier. It was. Yeah,
it was. There's a lot of turbulence on that one.
For 3 men who don't like heights that much.
Yeah,
that was fun. But I don't know.
It was a bit of a challenge, but
we're gonna spend
incredible.
The whole night editing, and I'm putting this on YouTube as I go to sleep tonight.
Absolutely. So. Oh, and one other thing. Who gets to do this on their lunch break? I did it on my lunch break today.
Oh, that's where you worked today.
That was cool. Not a lot of opportunities like that out there. So.
Yeah, well, same time next weekend?
Absolutely.
All right, man.
Later.
See you guys.